So, in our case, if consumer lang tayo yung individual consumer lang or customer, wala tayong gagawin. Yung mamroblema diyan is yung mga non-resident na na digital service providers because sila yung magre-register and sila din yung magko-collect ng VAT and sila din yung magre-remit ng VAT. So wala tayong gagawin. So yung medyo masakit sa ulo niyan if you are doing business. If registered business kayo sa Philippines, if VAT man kayo or mapanan-VAT, so kailangan nyo itong gawin. So kailangan na kayo yung mag-withhold ng 12% and kayo din yung magre-remit. So for example dito is yung digital service provider is yung monthly subscription natin is $100. So because of the VAT, yan, magkaka-add-on siya na 12%. So yung total na contract price yan is $112 na. But yung gagawin natin dyan is yung 12% or yung VAT na portion na $12, tayo yung magwi-withhold niyan and tayo yung magre-report and tayo yung magre-remit. That is using yung BIR form 1600 VT. So, it's like yung usual lang, magbabayad tayo dun sa ating provider ng $100. Tapos yung $12 naman is tayo na yung magre-remit using the EBIR form and kailangan pa din yung SOUT or yung Summary Alpha List of Withholding Taxes.